Hi guys, and Crafty Kimchi, welcome back to my channel. I am back with Larissa's uh, traveling journal, and I am so excited. I really found a lot of inspiration from looking at her journal, and this is the cover. So I love the style that she did this within because there's like room to grow. She could take away pages, and honestly, I got so much inspiration from this. She asked that we do a couple of things in here. I'm just going to kind of do a quick flip through. Just put my name here, and then I'm just going to skip through that. I'm just going to go to the activities. This is her yearbook photo. That's me. And then, oh, here's mine because I decorated. It says Anne on it. See? So I love how she did this with the doors. It's like such a great little flippy thing. Oh no. Oh, I must have left a piece of paper in there. So we were supposed to decorate your door with your like fun images of the state, and of course I like used my handy dandy sticker maker and just created a really fun New York spread. My favorite team, the New York Mets, obviously a taxi, Statue of Liberty, and just fun little New Yorky thing. I wish I drew an apple. It was kind of horrible, but whatever. I needed an apple, and I printed my stickers, and I obviously didn't think of it. I needed a slice of pizza or a hot dog, even though I don't eat hot dogs. But I love this page and her layouts. Let's see what's the next one. This is just like a little bit about me right now, what I'm listening to. I am listening to the BTS Arirang album. I'm really reading travel guides for my next vacation. I'm currently watching Euphoria. I have to start, although I haven't started yet, but I had collected stuff to journal from my Japan trip. I just came back from Japan. I really had a great time and crafting traveling journal, and then some stuff I had bought in Japan, stationery stuff, and I posted my video. And I love this little section that she had done. I think she stamped it or created it in Canva. Honestly, I love the way you did this layout. This is Stamp Gallery. I don't stamp, or I don't color and stamp. This was my little addition. Sorry, but that was that. And then this was the washi. This was my little row of washi that I added onto her washi clothesline. I just love her pages. I think it was just such a little fun accent. She had created these adorable little, I don't know what they're called, but they kind of remind me of like little ATCs, but take one and leave one. And I just had a little ephemera piece that I sewed. I love that little house. And then this is my tab. She did ask for a paper clip, so I left my paper clip right here. And then I punched out my letters using the little letter maker that I had purchased. This is my page. Do I need to stitch it? Oh, I need to cut that. So let me see. This is the front cover. We were to do a little. Let me just zoom in a little bit. We were to do a little trim, so I added this little ruffly pink one, and I love it with the little, I don't know what that is, a little flower in it, and I just did a flat little layered page, and then I just put my name Anne. Like, I feel like I'm putting my name everywhere. It's giving, like I'm screaming my name a lot. But this is my page, and then I did this such a long time ago that I kind of forget how I did this. I did a kind of a collage. Let me just zoom out. Sorry, guys. I did a collage-ish look to it, and just took pieces and added little die cuts, my little picture here. And then this is my fun little about me. Just stick that back in. And I love how it came out. It's really simple. I did a little stitching, but it's just like my style. I think this is how I would possibly scrapbook if I had to. And I'm kind of treating this as a scrapbook. I don't know how to fill out pages about myself. It's kind of a new kind of skill that I'm learning. Um, but you know what I am using? I am using those large ephemera pieces. So, like, if you ever feel like you don't know where to use them, I feel like this is like the place to use it because I'm using all those large pieces that I never get to use. Like, I would never use this huge ephemera floral piece. So, it's kind of nice. I had a lot of stationery, like Maggie Home stationery stuff that I got to add. I'm like stapling over here. So, yeah, and then I just added I decorated the back with some washi tape as well. I forget. Oh, yes. So each page was just plain white. So I did decorate every page with some decoration, a deco paper. So the pages do get a little thick. Um, and there's like no rules to this. You get to do whatever you want. And this is going off to Leslie, who is next in the lineup. And I am really enjoying this sister book. So I'm excited to put this together for my next sister and send this off to Leslie. And I hope Larisa loves my inputter page in this. So that is all for today, you guys. Stay tuned for upcoming ones, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.